Alright, so when it says the graphs of functions f and g are shown, it will show two graphs on this graph. So when I move, so if I were to move my vertex, right now it's at a +1, which aligns with the -1 inside. If I move it to the right, so if I move it to +2, notice that the inside, it's no longer a 1, now it is a -2. Let's see what happens when I change it to 3. Instead of being a +3 on the inside, it is a -3. Likewise, if I transferred it over into the negatives, instead of having a -1, when I put it into the parentheses, it will become a +1. So that's what's happening to the h. The h will change based off of the formula moving side to side. Alright, then if I move it up or down, let's watch what happens. Right now, my y, so this outside number, is at +3. If I move it up, it became a +4, a +5. If I move it down, it stays the same value. It stays a 2, then a 1. At 0, there's nothing on the outside. Then when I get into the negatives, it changes to a negative on the outside. If you are interested in playing a little bit with this and looking at what happens with h and k on the inside, the web page is www.geogebra.org/m/HMNXB49M if you want to get on and check that one out for that problem. So if I were to write, I'm just going to make one up. I'm going to put one right here. I'm going to put a quadratic. If I were to be asked what is the value of k above, if I were to take this x, that's my vertex, so -2, 0. If I were to put it into my formula, this -2, when it goes in the parentheses, it would become two negatives make a positive, and that would be +0, or I could just leave it off. So that one's from homework 2.11 with transformation.